Hi everybody, Jesse, Schoolcraft Family Farmstead again. I know it's been a long time since I've put up a video. I'm here at Ted Everett's auction in Monrovia, and I do an auction first Friday every other month, and so I'm gonna go see what kind of trouble I can get into. I don't know if I'll find many good deals today. Usually these summertime auctions in June, it's hard to find good deals on stuff I usually buy, like mowers and things of that nature. But I know they've got a few nice tractors here as well, and I'll get some videos of those and see what they sell for. But yeah, auction day, and next one will be first Friday in August, obviously. It's kind of doomy, gloomy day today, overcast, and we'll see how the auction goes though.
Looky there, I couldn't believe. Junior, you know how to drive that? All right, he said, I'm learning. All right, here we go. Look at that G, boys. Here we go there, boys. You back there. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. All right, here we go there, boys. Here we go there. You come and get there. Get on the line, get there. Come to there. $5 $5. Look at $5 there. The pine, get there. 15, 2, 25. I can now 3 to there. 3 down. I'm going to turn 2,500. 3 down. I'm going to 25. 3 down. I'm going to 25. 35. I can 3 down. I'm going to 35. I'm going to turn 30. I'm going to turn 3. 35. I'm going to turn 3 down. I'm going to 35. 2 and a half. I can 3. 32 and a half. Now 5. I'm going to turn 35. 2 and a half. 30. I'm going to turn 32 and a 5. I can 32 and a half. 35. I'm going to turn 32 and a half. 35. I'm going to turn 32 and a half. 35. The last one draws 6, boys. You better get on. 5, 7 and a half. I get now 4 down, but turn 2 and a half, but turn 42 and a half, but turn 42 and a half. Now 5, 45, but turn 42 and a half, 4,500, 7 and a half. I get 4,500, 47, 50, but turn 45, 7, 50, but turn 45, 7, 56, 7. Now 7, but turn 4,600, 7, but turn 4,600, 7. I get 4,600, 7, but turn 4,600, 7, but turn 7, 600, but turn 47, 600, 7, but turn sold at 4,600, JR, $4,600. That's a birthday boy, isn't it? He bought him a birthday present. What's this, a D? It came off the same guy that the G come from, boys. There you are, boys. Just passed away. Came off the same family. All right, got a new steering wheel with it, boys. Got the new wheels on it, boys. All right, here we go. Get there, get on the line. Get there, get there. He said, look underneath the seat, kids. I've never seen a hydraulic system like that on one. All right, here we go, get there, boys, get there. Get quiet around a little dude. Here we go, get there, boys, get there. All right, what's the word, boys? $5 get there, $5 get there, 5, I'm going to turn 5, I'm going to turn 5, 15, 2. I go 15 to 2, get there, 15 to 2, down, no, then 15, get there, 2, down, no, then 15 to 2. Down 5, get there, 2, down, then 25, get there, 3, down, no, then 25, 3. New steering wheel with it. The original one's got a new original, boys. That one's not. It's on it, but the original one, new one's with it. 3-spoke wheel. What do you got? 3, 35. 3 down, $1, 35, but turn 3 down, $32 and a half, 5. I 32 and a half, 35, but turn 32 and a half, 35, but turn 32 and a half. You're out there, you can but turn 5. I 32 and a half, 35, but turn 35, but turn 7 and a half. 4 down, but turn 4 down, but turn 37, 50 and 4, but turn 4 down, $1. I 37, 50 and 4 down, but turn 37, 50, but turn 4 down, y'all dead. I 37, 50 and 4 down, but turn, get that noisy thing out of here. 37 and a half, 4, and 4 down, but turn 4. Sold at $37.50. These tractors.
tractors here, all from the same collection. I think the guy passed away and Ted's auctioning all of his tractors. Boy, they are extremely nice. Actually, it's 4620 here. This is my dream tractors. It's probably one that is the least clean of all of them. It's a little smoky, but I'd love to have a nice 4620 someday. This 4320 is even nicer than it is, but I've heard a lot of stories about Larry's old 4620 that he had when my dad was a kid. My dad loved. It had cab and duals, unlike this one. If I was ever able to get started farming a little ground, I'd want a nice 4620. 4320 would do too, though. A little rich for my blood right now, though. These things are going to go high. Selling an Oliver right now. See if I can get in there and catch a shot of it, but it is extremely clean. These Allis-Chalmers, they are extremely nice.
Down lower with the 15 down lower. I get 12 by 15, 13 down with there, 14 down, 15 down lower, 16 down dollar, 17 down dollar with there, 18 down dollar, 17 down dollar, 18 down lower with there, 17 and 8. Look around, boys, don't miss them. 17 and 8, 18 down lower with there, 17 with there, 18 down lower with there, 5 and 18, 75, 18 down lower with there, 18, 75, 18 down lower. Tires calls out that 75, 18 down with there at 18, 75, 18 down with there at 18, 75, 18 down lower. I get 17, 5, 18 down longer with there at 75, 18. You all done? And now 5 with there at 18, 5 with there at 18, 18, 5, 18 down lower 5 with there at 5 with there at 5 longer with there at 18, 5, 18, 5 with there at 5 with there at 18, 5. Sold it. 18,000 JR, 18 down lower going to Canada. All right, here comes, what's this baby, a 21? Hey, a 210, boys. All right, good with there, got a little 210 now. Oh, it's a 20. All right, good with there, 220. Good with there, boys. All right, good with there, boys. Good with there, get on the line, boys. There's a nice tractor now. Engine's been overhauled. There you are. All right, here we go to my there, $30 down, $30. Look at 30. 30 to my there, 10, 12, 5. To my there, down, lower with the 12, 5. To my there, no, sir. Got it, 10, 12, 5, 11, 12, 5, 15. To my there, 15, 17, 5. I got 15 and 17. I got my there, 15 and 17. I got my there, 15, 20. Now 20. Get my there, 20 down, lower to my there, 20 down, $75. 20 down, lower to my there, 20 where? I got 17, 5, 20 down, lower to my there, 20 down, lower to my there, 18. I got 75, 18 down to 19 down. But they're to 19, 18 down, $19 down, look at the turn to 19, 18, 19 down, $18, 19, 18 down, $19 down, look at the turn at 18, 19, and come on, boys, look at the turn now 20, look at the turn to 19, 20 down, $19, 20, now 20 down, look at the turn to 19, 20, I'm a Travis now, 19, 20, I get 19 down, $20 down, look at the turn, look at the turn, look at the turn, 19, look at the turn to 9, look at the turn, last one we sold about 25, 19, 5, and now 20, and now 20 down, look at the turn to 19, 5, 20 down, look at the turn to 20 down, where? I get 19, 5, 20 down, look at the turn to 20 down, look at the turn to 19, 5, 20, now 20 down, look at the turn to 19, 5, 20 down, look at the turn to 20, everybody done, 20 down, $, 19, 5, 20 down, look at the turn to 20 down, $, so 19, 5, Gary. 116, 116. All right. Boys, he said the old 4620 is just as good as she looks. All right, all original, boys. Original. All right, here we go to there, $25. Look at 25. Going to return to 25. Going to return to 25. Going to return to 25. 8, 9, $8,000, $9,000. Going to there. Finish it, boys. The last one now. 10, $11,000, $12,000, $11,000, $12,000, $13,000, $14,000. Going to there. Been 14 where 13,000, 14. Going to there. $14,000. Going to there. 14,000, 13, 14, 5 to 14. Going to there. 14,000. Going to there. 13, 14, 5, 14, 5, 15,000. Going to there. 15 now. 5. Going to there. 15, 5, 15, 15, 5. Going to there. 16,000. Going to there. 15, 5, 16, 16,000. Going to there. 15, 5, 16,000. Going to there. 5, 6, going to there. Now 5. Now 5. Going to there. New joiner. 16. Going to there. 5. Going to there. 16, 5. Now 20. Now 17. Going to there. 17. Going to there. $70,000. 16, 5. Melvin's on. I got $70,000. 16, 5. 17. Going to there. Now 5. Going to there. 75. $70,000. 5. Going to there. 5. Going to there. 70. Going to there. 75. I got $70,000. 5. Going to there. 5. Going to there. 5. 5. $70,000. 5. I got $70,000. 5. Going to there. 5. Going to there. 5. Everybody down. Number Melvin 75. I got $70,000. 5. Going to there. 5. Solar tractor $17,000. Melvin. He's getting the number right in by the bleachers. Hey, looky here now. Here we go to Madeira. All right, little 40-20, isn't it? All right, here we go to Madeira, little 40-20, boys. You go to Madeira, ready for the parade. Power shift. All right, go to Madeira. You got it all on the back, boys. Here we go to Madeira, $20,000. Look at 20. Madeira, $20,000. Look at Madeira, $20,000. $8,000 to $9,000. Look at Madeira, $8,900. $9,000, $8,000, $9,000. Look at Madeira, $8,900. Look at Madeira, $9,000. $8,900. $8,000, $9,000. Look at Madeira, $8,000. $9,000. Look at Madeira, $8,000. $9,000. Look at Madeira, $10,000. I get $9,000. $10,000, but turn to $9,000, $10,000, but turn to $9,000, $10,000, I get $9,000 to the power shift, boys, $9,000, $11,000, $10,000, $11, new tires, new paint, $10,000, $11,000, but turn to $10,000, $11,000, but turn to $10,000, but turn to $11,000, but turn to $10,000, I get $10,000, then to $500, but turn to $5,000, who's in? Now $11,000 on my side, $10,500, $11, now $11,000, but turn now $5,000, but turn $11,500, but turn $11,000, $11,500, $11,000, $11,500. I'm going to return a 5. I'm going to return 11, 11, 5. I'm going to return 11, 11. I'm going to return 11 to 5. I got $11,000 5. I'm going to return to 12. I'm going to return to 12 trap. I'm going to return to 12. I got 11, 5, 12 out. Now 5. I'm going to return to 12, 12, 5. I'm going to return to 12, 12, 5. I got $12,000, 12, 5. I'm going to return to 12. I'm going to return to 5. I'm going to return to 5, 12, 5. I got $12,000. I'm going to return to 500 to bid to 5. Everybody down. Got to go. 12, 5. I got 12. I'm going to return to $12,000 5. I'm going to return to 5 bid to 5, 5, 12, 5. Sold it. $12,000, Travis. $12,000. He's up in the bleachers. Travis is getting it. Look at this 4320, Ted. All right, beautiful 4320, boys. New tires ready to go. All right, here we go to Madeira. Get on the bike, get to Madeira. 25,000, go to Madeira. 25, 8, 9, $8,000, 9, $10,000, go to Madeira. $9,000, $11,000, go to Madeira. Over here now, 10, 11, they're on 12. Now 12, 13,000, go to Madeira. 14,000, go to Madeira. 14, 15, 15,000, go to Madeira. I got the bid. 14, $15,000, go to Madeira. What's that? No, sir. 14, 15, 15,000, go to Madeira. 14, 15,000, go to Madeira. 16,000, go to Madeira. 15, 16, $15,000, 5. Now 16. Madeira 15, 5, $16,000. I got 15, 5, $16,000. I got Madeira 15, 5, $16,000. Now 5. I got 16, now 17. Madeira 17. I got now 5, 17. I got Madeira 5 at 18,000. I got Madeira 18, 75, 18. 18,000. I got Madeira 75, 18,000. I got Madeira 75, 18. 18,000. I got Madeira 18. Madeira 18, 75, 18. 75, 18. Get them all straight. 75, 18. I'm with Connor. I got 75, 18,000. I got Madeira 75. 18,000, look at the turn of 5, 18, 18,000, look at the turn of 1 here again, Chris, 18, look at the turn of 18, 18, the turn of 75, look at the turn of 18, sold it, 17,500, Connor, 17,500. Hey, Ted said, this is probably the rarest out of the collection. Probably the rarest one out of the collection, boys. They only sold them new in Canada. This baby, you guys all know Johnny Schaffner right up the road. He rebuilt the motor. There you go. Look at the fenders, boys. Look at the tires. So get him a Deere. He said it's the rarest one of the collection. All right, here we go to my Deere. Get on the line. Get him a Deere. Get 20,000 longer to my Deere. 20. That'll be cheap enough. I got 20. Get him a Deere. $7,000. $8,000. Look at my Deere. $9,000. $10,000. Look at my Deere. $10,000. $9,000. $11,000. $11,000. $12,000. Look at my Deere. $13,000. $14,000. $14,000. $15,000. $16,000. Look at my Deere. $16,000. $17,000. $18,000. $18,000. Look at my Deere. $18,000. $19,000. Look at my Deere. $5 to 19. $18,500. $19,000. Look at my Deere. $5 to 19,000. Look at my Deere. $18,500. $19,000. I got 18,500, 19. Now 5. Going to turn to 19,500. The 19 going to turn to 5. Going to turn Travis in 19,500. Going to turn to 19,500. I got $19,000 5. Now 20. Going to turn to 20,000. Going to turn to 20. Now 5. I got 20,500. Now 21. 21,000. Going to turn to 21,500. I got 21,150. Going to turn to 21,150. Going to turn to 20. Now 2. Now 22,000. Going to turn to 2. Now 5. Going to turn to 22,500. I got $22,000. 22,500. Going to turn to 22. 22,500. I got $22,000. $22,500. Going to turn to 22,500. I got $22,000. $22,500. Going to turn to 22,500. Yes or no, boys? Next one to buy. I got 22,500. Going to turn to Trav. Now 3. Now 23. Now 5. Going to turn to 23,500. Going to turn to 23. 3, 5, 4. Now 5. 24,500. Going to turn to 24,500. I got 24,000. Now 5. 25,000. 25,500. Going to turn to 25,500. I got 25,500. Going to turn to $25,000. 25,500. I got $25,000. 25,500. Going to buy. Yes or no, Trav? 25. Now sit. Now 26,000. Now 5. Going to turn to 26,500. Now 26,500. $26,000. 26,500. Going to turn to 26,500. I got $26,000. 26,500. Going to turn to 26,500. Gotta go. I get $26,000. 5. Going to turn to 5. Going to 5. Now 7, just in time, 27. Now 7,000, going to turn to 6,500. 20, now 5. I get 27,750. Going to turn to 27,750. Going to turn to 5. Going to turn to, gotta make up your mind. I got to go. I get 27,500. Going to turn to 27,500. Going to turn to 5. Sold it. 27,000, Travis. Look at this baby now. All right, little 4,000 here, boys. Here you go to my Deere. Look how beautiful, Ronnie. You got a nice set of tractors. All right, here we go to my Deere. Get on the back of my Deere. Hard to find, boys. That's all right. Here we go to my Deere. Get on the right 20. Look at 20,000. Look at my Deere. $7,000. $8,000. Look at my Deere. $8,000. $9,000. $8,900. The $9,000. Look at my Deere. $9,000. Look at my Deere. $8,000. $9,000. Look at my Deere. $9,000. $8,900. $8,000. $10,000. $9,000. $10,000. Look at my Deere. $9,000. I believe I got 2 on. I got $9,000. Look at my Deere. $10,000. Carry out. $9,000. $10,000. $9,000. $95,10. Now $11,000. Now $12,000. Going to turn 11 to 12. Going to turn 11 to 12. Now $12,000, $11,000, $12,000. Going to turn 11 to 12. Now 13. 13,000. Going to turn to 12. 13,000. Going to turn to 12,000. 5, 13. 12, 5, 13,000. Going to turn to 12, 5, 13,000. Going to 12, 5, 13. Now 13,000. Going to turn to 12, 5, 13,000. Chris, going to turn to $13,000. I got 12, 5, 13,000. Going to turn to 12. They got Gary. You got 13, and now 5. I got 13, 5. Going to turn to 5. I'm going to turn to 5, 5, 13. 5, I'm going to turn to 13, 5. $13,000, 5. I'm going to turn to 5. I'm going to turn to 5. I'm going to turn to 13, 5. Gotta go. I get 32 and a half. Now 5. I get 13, 2 and a half. 13, 5. I'm going to turn to 5. I'm going to turn to 5. I'm going to turn to 5. 5, 2 and a half. 5. I get 13, 2 and a half. 13, 5. You done, Gary? I'm going to turn to 5. I'm going to turn to 5. But now 7 and a half. I get 13, 5, 750. I'm going to turn to 13, 5, 750. I get 13, 5, 750. Brand new injection pump, 5, 7.5. I get 13, 5, 750. To turn to 13, 5, 750. To turn to 13, 5, 750. Sold it. 13,500. 46. 13,500. Look at this little thing. Little 4010.
Got a turbo.
Guys, this 4010, I sold on a farm sale probably at least 10 years ago. Ain't been longer than that. Ronnie's brother bought it, restored it. Since then, he's passed away, so Ronnie took it, bought it off of the family. But this, I think, if you check the serial number on this tractor, it's a 528 4010 that was ever built. And the reason you can tell it's rare, the first few 4010s they sold had 30-inch rear tires on them. It was in 30s. And I'm telling you, that tractor is rare as hell. They're 18430s, and I'm telling you,
Our neighbor bought 2 brand new ones when we was farming, and they both had 30-inch rubber on them. You don't find them, but he bought the first 2 that come to Indiana. This is a 500 and I think 28-1. It's been in the shed since we sold it on a farm sale, however many years that's been, so it hadn't been used. It's low hours.
There you are, boys. Here we go. We're going to get on the market. We're going to 30 down. We're going to 30, get 25 down. We're going to 25. We're going to 25. We'll get 25 down. We're going to 25. We're going to 8 9. $8 down, $9 down. We're going to 9 down. We're going to 8 down, $9 down. We're going to 8 9 down. We're going to 10 down. We're going to 9 10. 10 down. We're going to 9 down. $10 down. We're going to 9 to 10 down. We're going to 9 10. Now 95 10. We're going to 95 10. We're going to 10. Now 5. We're going to 10 5. We're going to 5. Now 11 down. We're going to turn to 10, 5, 11 down, we're going to turn to 10, 5, 11, we're going to turn 11, we're going to turn to 10, 5, 11. Now 11 down, we're going to turn to 10, 5, 11, we're going to turn to 10, 5, 11 down, $10, 10, 5, 11. Now 11 down, we're going to turn to 10, we're going to turn to, go find another one, 10, 5, 11 down, $1. I get 10, 5, 11 down, $1. We're going to turn to 10, 5, 11. We're going to put your KRs in, 10, 5, 11. 11 down, we're going to turn to 10, 5, 11 down, we're going to turn to 10, 5, 11, now 5, 11, 11, 5, we're going to turn 11, 5, we're going to turn 11 to 5, we're going to turn 11, 11, 5, we're going to turn 11, 11, 5. I got 11 down, $11, 5. We're going to turn 11 to 5. We're going to turn 11 to 500. We're 11, 11, 5. Now 5, now 12. We're going to turn to 12 down. We're going to turn 11, 5, 12. Travis in now, 11, 5, 12. Now 12 down. We're going to turn 11, 5 to 12. We're going to turn to 12 down. We're going to turn 11, 5, 12. Now 12 down. We're going to turn 11, 5, 12 down. We're going to turn 11, 5, 12. 12 down, $1. I got 11, 5 and 12. 12 down. We're going to turn 11, 5, 12 down. We're going to turn now 5. I got 12, 12, 5, Travis. We're going to turn 12, 12, 5. We're going to turn 12 down 5. I get 12 down 5, we're going to turn to 5, we're going to turn to 5, I'm going to turn to 5, 5, 12, 12, 5. Then I'm going to turn to 12, I'm going to turn, what do you think, Trap? 12, I'm going to turn to 12, 12, 5. I get 12 down, I'm going to turn, last call, boys, going to go, 12 to Gary's in, 12, 12, 5. I get 12 down, $5, I'm going to turn to 5, I'm going to 5, I'm going to turn to 5, 12, 12, 5. Sold it, $12,000, Gary Olson. All right, look at here, we got a different color here. All right, here we go with the Deere, got a different one.
Saddle combine, Bill Diesel now, 3,300 or 4,400. So 4,400, 500, 750. Odell Diesel combine, 500, 750, 500, 600. I got nothing on 600, you can now sell it. But I'll say, you want to think of something like that, no name, and I'll tell you about now, and I'll now 11 and 10, and I'll take it here 11 and 12, 12, 13, and I'm 13, 12, 13, and I'm 13, you want to make it 12, you want to make it 12, 13, $1,300, 12, 13. Sold $12, right there you bought her, 7, 7. Southern Cornhead, 250, 300. I hold on driver. I can do it about 300. Down 3, 4, down 4, 5, and down 5, 6. And I'll say what you got about it down 7. And I'll say what about it, 7, TV boys, 7, 600 ground. 7, 8, $800, 9, $900, right beside you, $900, 8.5, 9, 809, 9, yellow cap be done, 809, sold 7, 7, stays with her out the door.
Still working their way through the mowers. I think it's almost 3 o'clock if I remember correctly. And turns out that I did do a little damage. Had a lot of stuff to sell today. Still got a lot of 0 turns left though. All these here still need to sell. Still gonna be here a while. I'll show you the damage that I did. This was fun getting this loaded. It's really nice when jerks park right up against the ramps here. I tried just driving up my ramp, but the blade on the right side would not quite clear the hinge there. So I had to improvise and drive up these loading ramps here, but I could barely get my trailer in here because of jerks that park too close to the loading ramps. It's supposed to be for loading, not parking. but it's on there. It's a nice one too. I just remembered I didn't show you much detail on my other mower that I bought yesterday. This one's nice. It's an X730. Got a fuel injected Kawasaki engine, and I think it's a 54-inch deck if I remember correctly. This has a little over 1,000 hours, but it's in good shape. No issues with it at all. Got the auxiliary hydraulics right there for attachments that you want to put on the front end, like a snow plow or snow blower or anything like that. I guess you could even, I don't know, I can't remember if they make loaders for these. Anyway, mows nicely too. I mowed just a little bit with it, and but it's in good shape. I would keep this one if I could, but got a heck of a deal on it, so I'm gonna be reselling it. Hopefully it goes quickly and I can make some good money on it. Well, unfortunately, I had to come back the next day. This is now Saturday, day after the auction, because the trailer didn't quite have enough room on it. But got my sidekick here. Oh, really? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Brought my sidekick with me today. Helped me pick up the Grasshopper. And so we're gonna get it loaded up and get ready to head home. Can you wave? Mr. Big Boy's driving the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch where you're going. All right, which way are you going? You going this way?
Nope.
Oh, well, where are you taking us then?
Oh, look, it's blue.
Oh, the blue tractor? Better watch where you're going so you don't hit a tractor. Well, I made it home. This is my other purchase. Grasshopper 721D, and yes, it is a diesel. My first ever diesel on a mower. It's in pretty good shape. Looks like I'd forgotten about this. I think, this is kind of funny, someone at some point, yeah, had a radio rigged up to this thing. But I believe, yeah, wires are not hooked up. Right, well, maybe this one is. Interesting. Anyway, I don't know where this one's supposed to go. But yeah, somebody used to jam out listening to an old radio at some point. What this is for. It looks like that. Oh, that must be where maybe they plugged in their headphones there. Anyway, getting out in the weeds, getting focused on a radio, but runs great. Just got some noisy bearings here in the deck, but yeah, I'll probably try to sell it as is first, and maybe I'll put some bearings in it. I don't know, probably won't. But yeah, still got a good price on it. Got stuff growing. Yeah, yesterday when I went to get it, had stuff growing in here next to the seat. There were some weeds growing up there. But anyway, overall it's in pretty good shape. And unfortunately I couldn't fit both as much as I tried. I was gonna try to, I mean, you saw yesterday I had the Deere sitting this way, put it up there on the side gate, and that was fun. And I wasn't thinking, you know, the Grasshoppers, they have these, the two wheels there in the back. If it was just a regular zero turn, I think I could have squeezed it on there, on the back of the trailer. But I wasn't thinking about how long these Grasshoppers are with those two wheels there in the back. And I thought I was gonna try to fold up the deck, and it just wasn't worth it. So went back today and got it. And it'll be up for sale soon. Well, that's all for this video. I know it's been a while, but hopefully now that we're on summer break, I'll have some more time to make some videos. And as we're getting hay baled, and we just started that up, as you can see here at home, we've baled this patch here. This is pretty thin stuff though. I think we only got 2.5 bales, so there's not much here. But gotten quite a bit down southwest of town, Hacker Creek. But hopefully I'll be able to get some videos of that soon, after I get a couple little projects there at the house done. But if you would like and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. And be looking out for more videos coming up soon. But we'll see you next time. Oh, forgot to show you this too. Hold on. Somebody didn't quite make it. Oh! Poor guy. Better get him back to the house so he can hit the bed for a little bit, get a little nap. We're going to Grandpa's birthday party today. He's getting ready to turn 95. But apparently this was hard work for him. So yeah, going to Grandpa's 95th birthday get together. He'll turn 95 on Wednesday. And pretty neat, but it'd be good to see him. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Take care.